Today we are making a Southwest tahini lime dressing. It's super easy, 5 ingredients, and if you love cilantro, which I'm guessing there's a chance you do because you clicked on this video, it's going to be super versatile on how you can use it. So we're going to start with food processor, blender. I'm using an immersion blender, and I'm going to take 1 bunch of cilantro. I didn't know what else. I could have done this in a bowl, but I wanted a tall container, so we're just gonna go with it. 1 bunch of cilantro. I'm using the bunch size from Aldi. I know a bunch is a very general term and how much you're gonna use, but 1 bunch, include the stems. It's all just gonna get blended smooth. We're gonna add a 1/2 cup of water, a 1/2 cup of tahini, the juice of 2 limes. You can always add more lime juice later if you want it. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using coarse kosher salt. It doesn't matter if it's coarse or fine, it's all gonna get blended. So again, I'm gonna take my immersion blender and we're just gonna blend it until it's smooth. Let me give that a little taste test. You can always add a little more salt if you need it. I'm gonna add a little more. And I think I'm going to add a touch more lime juice. Tahini sometimes can have a little bit of a bitterness to it, and so that's partially why I'm adding a little bit more salt, but also it's just that it just needs a little bit more salt, and I want a little bit more freshness. Even though cilantro is quite fresh, the tahini can dull that. I'm gonna blend that up real quick. Give it another taste test. That's better. So go ahead, start with the base recipe, add more salt or more cilantro even, or some more lime juice. I mean, if you really wanted to, you could add a little bit of the lime zest. No one is stopping you. There are a ton of cilantro dressing recipes out there. This is just one version. Try it out, let me know what you think, and this would be great over tacos, grilled veggies, a nice corn black bean salad. And if you want a couple salad ideas, I will put them here on screen and just swap out the dressing recipes and use this cilantro dressing recipe instead, and let me know what you think.